Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade the jewelry kit that I make for Rhino from an older version to a newer version. So before you can do this, you first need to have downloaded the new version of the kit, which would be a zip file, and the new installer script, which would be a Python file. So go to wherever you originally got the previous version of the kit from. That could be Patreon, that could be Gumroad, or that could be CG Trader. So wherever you got the original kit from, go back there and get the new version of the kit. That's if you purchased the old version of the kit. If you have a free version installed, then you can get the new version of the free version wherever you want. You can get it at Patreon, Gumroad, or CG Trader. Gumroad is actually my favorite place, so that's where I recommend you get it, but it doesn't matter which one of them you get it from. So once you've downloaded the new version of the kit and the new Python script, the new installer script, then you need to open Rhino and come up to Tools, click on Script. Now if you have, this is Rhino 8, if you have Rhino 6 or 7, you'll click on Tools and you'll have an option here, somewhere in here called Python script. You'll need to click on that in Rhino 6 and 7. But in Rhino 8, you're going to click on just Script and then click on Run. So I'm just going to quickly show you in Rhino 7 what that looks like. Tools, Python script, Run. Okay, it's exactly the same except for that. All right, back to Rhino 8. Tools, Script, Run. And this is going to open up a file browser. And you need to navigate on your computer to wherever you downloaded the zip file and the installer script. What you're looking for is the installer script right now. It's probably in your downloads folder, but you will know where it is on your computer. Navigate to the installer script, select it, and then open it. This will run the installer script. The first thing you're going to do is look at the warranty disclaimer. If you agree, you can click next. If you don't agree, you have to click cancel. So we're going to click next. The installation script actually functions as not only an installer script but also as an upgrade script and a removal script. So it can upgrade and also uninstall the kit if you want. If it detects a previous version of the script, it will give you these two options, upgrade and remove. And upgrading involves removing the old kit first. So we're going to select upgrade, click next. This then takes you through the 3 steps of removing the old kit. You're going to click on Remove Toolbar. After that's removed, you can click on Delete Folder. That takes a few moments. Then you click on Remove Commands. After that's done, you can click on Continue. Then you need to click on this Browse button right here. Navigate on your computer to wherever you downloaded the zip file for the new version of the kit. Select it and open it. Because you already installed this kit, it will autofill the install location for you, and I recommend that you just go ahead and leave that. However, if you just absolutely want to change the location on your computer where the kit's installed, you can click on Browse. That will open up a file browser again, actually a folder browser in this case, and you can select either the drive or the folder, not a file, but a drive or a folder where you would like the kit to be installed. Okay, so this opens a file browser, this opens a folder browser, a little bit different. But I recommend that you just leave the previous install location as is and then click Install Kit. It then has to unzip the new kit and copy it to your computer. That's all that it's doing really. And then at the end of this process, it's going to set up the commands in Rhino for you. This takes several moments. Okay, when it's done, it tells you that you're done and tells you to click the close button. It also gives you a message telling you that after you close this window, you need to dock the toolbar if you want and then restart Rhino. So we're going to close it. I like to dock my toolbar over here, but you can either leave it floating or you can dock it somewhere. And then you need to close Rhino, come up and close Rhino, and then start Rhino again. And the reason you need to do that is to finalize the installation of the toolbar. If the computer crashes, if you don't restart Rhino now after the upgrading process, and Rhino crashes before you have a chance to do the restart, you will not get the toolbar. The toolbar will disappear, and Rhino will probably not be able to load it in for you after the crash. So please, after you go through the upgrade process, just restart Rhino to finalize the installation of the toolbar. Okay, I don't have the ability to make the script do that for you. You have to do that. You have to restart Rhino. All right, after you've done that, the kit has been upgraded.